News coming in right now. BJP set to retain Home, Defence, Finance and Foreign Affairs ministries, key ministries to stay with the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is of course the largest party in the coalition NDA. BJP will retain key ministries on Kartavya Path, that is Finance, Home, Defence and External Affairs. My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us live. Piyush, BJP will of course keep the key ministries, but there will be alliance partners who will still be angling for MOS positions within these key ministries.
Well, absolutely, and that was evident that BJP would keep the key ministries which are also part of a cabinet committee on security. Remember that whenever we have seen the meetings taking place of CCS, the top ministers have always taken part, and it's BJP only which has always kept these portfolios in its kitty. And once again, we are now given to understand is that the key portfolios like Home, Finance, Defence and MEA, all these ministries have been kept by BJP. But yes, like you rightly mentioned, Volumi, that the ally partners would certainly try their best to have MOS portfolios in their kitty. What we are now learning is that the ministers have started getting calls. In few minutes from now, the movement will take place from the place from where right now I am reporting. I'm reporting from 7 LKM, and in few minutes from now, the leaders will start arriving, and then we will see Chai Pe Charcha taking place. So it will be a first round of talk which Prime Minister will be holding with the ministers who are all set to take oath today in the evening at around 7:15 p.m. Before that, all preparations have almost been done there at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Heads of states of various countries have been called in. Invitations have been sent to special people like transgenders, people who are working in Vande Bharat project, people who are working in Central Vista project, laborers who are part of that. All of them have been sent out invitations. So it's going to be a mega ceremony. BJP is all set to keep key portfolios in its kitty. Now let us also talk about the numbers, number of cabinet, number of ministers who are going to take oath today, and then we can expect their cabinet expansion to take place later in a month or so. There could be 50 leaders who will be taking oath today, most likely 50, and then we will see cabinet expansion to take place later in few days. Out of these 50, BJP likely to have 40 in its kitty, and then remaining 10 will be given to the ally partners. In Modi 1.0 Polimi, there were 71 ministers. In Modi 2.0, there were 72 ministers in Modi government. In Modi 1.0, the NDA allies had got 5 portfolios. In 2.0, Modi, the NDA allies had got 2 portfolios. This time, BJP number has come down to 240, and it has not been able to make to the majority mark. So we can expect a large portion to be given to NDA allies. TDP and Chandrababu Naidu are key partners. Not only they are eyeing on the cabinet portfolios, but they are also looking for the special status granted to Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. Remember that special status to Andhra Pradesh was one of the key issues on which Chandrababu Naidu had parted his ways from BJP in 2018. In 2014, he was promised that the government would be giving the special status to Andhra Pradesh, but that did not happen. And then in 2018, he had come out of NDA, and then he also started gathering the other opposition allies against the Modi government. But this time, what we are learning is that a discussion on giving special status to Andhra Pradesh has taken place, and similar sort of demand can be put forth by JDU too. So there are different issues on which this alliance has consolidated, and BJP will have to accommodate to the demands of its ally partners. If we talk about the TDP, it's more certain that it will have at least 2 cabinet portfolios and 2 MOS. JDU will have 3 ministers, most likely 2 MOS, or 1 cabinet or 2 cabinet or 1 MOS, and then LJP 1, Jitaram Manji's HM 1. Then we have the Shinde Sena, the leader of Shinde Sena have already started getting calls. They will also get 1 portfolio. As of now, Ajit Pawar's NCP leaders have not got call. There is only 1 MP of NCP, but he has not got call as of now. But what we are learning is that BJP is trying its best to accommodate all the NDA allies and trying to build up a narrative that it wants to represent the leaders beginning from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. From Kashmir, from Jammu and Kashmir, Jitendra Singh has already got the call. From Tamil Nadu, Annamalai has already got the call. And then after that, we are seeing how leaders who were part of Modi 2.0, many of them are also getting calls. In fact, sources are also telling us, Paulmi, that leaders, ministers who could not win this time, who were given ticket, even they might be made ministers. And on that, the brainstorming is going on.